Happy Father's Day, Dad, and I love you. And in honor of that love, I'm making you something very special today, a chocolate pecan cobbler. And this comes from Meek Church Barbecue. And the reason behind this for me is very simple, Dad. We both were born in Magnolia, Arkansas. Growing up, I remember Mama always making pecan pies for the holidays. And I remember them having the big pecan tree in the backyard with the picnic table under it. And I'd sit out there for hours just eating pecans. And, we learned after years, though, that you actually didn't eat anything pecan for a long time, for many years. But that's what I remember growing up. And then, of course, if anybody ever gets the chance to try them, in Magnolia, Arkansas, there's a great bakery, Magnolia Bakery, and they have the best pecan tarts. And I say they're pecan tarts. They're not real small. They're pretty good sized pecan tarts, but they are the best. Um, but I just want to tell you, thank you, Dad, for always being there, even though you were on the road a lot when I was growing up selling those Motorola radios. I really appreciate all the hard work you put in to support your family. And I appreciate that for me because I know growing up, I played a lot of sports that I know cost a lot of money. And I appreciate you doing that for me and supporting me in all that. And I just want to tell you, I love you so much. And you're 80 years old now, and I'm 54. 54 years with you has been great. I look forward to the years to come. And I know it's going to be a great time. I'm glad that we are closer together now than what we have been. An hour away is better than 2,000 miles away. So I'm so very thankful for this time I'm going to get to spend with you, Dad. And I love you, and I wish you nothing but the best Father's Day. I hope you love this chocolate pecan cobbler. We did it on the smoker on Ferdinand. It looks great. We're going to try it for the first time with you. So let's get out the bowls and spoons and give it a try, Dad. I love you, and happy Father's Day.
Oh, it is good.